let's cut the fluff. Go-to-market strategy isn't about launching, it is about controlling distribution. I'm Ellie Owens, and today I will take you through 6 steps how to prepare your go-to-market strategy. First, positioning. Control the narrative. You're not selling product, you're selling change. Is your customer a hero? You're not selling a feature, you're selling a status. For example, Slack didn't say we're a chat, they said emails are broken, we're fixing it. That's the narrative you can rally people behind. 2. Channels. Find the leverage. Don't spray and pray. If your customers are sitting on Reddit, focus all your attention on that one channel. Don't build in private, build in public. Get the feedback as soon as possible. 3. Build one and blitz. Is it sales-led? Is it product-led? Is it community-led? Choose one. Don't try to go for all 3. Choose one and be ruthless about it. 4. Dominate the launch. Most launches are just noise. Yours needs to be a warfare. Here's your launch plan. Pre-seed hype 30 days before. Focus on warm audience and influencers and those who already adopted your product. Plant the messaging in social and communities. Drop launch with CTA. Capture traffic and convert leads. Follow up in waves. Now that you finally launched for the first time, you can identify whether your ICP was correct, whether you need to check pricing and change it, and so many more things. Now that you have gotten much more feedback, you can iterate and change why us, improve your offering. 5. Check your pricing, as I mentioned, and see if you need to make modifications. And 6. Define or redefine metrics. Now that you have some data, you can look at it and see if it's telling you the story, if it's actually giving you enough information to get your new customers. How can you improve the product? What are the metrics that should stay and which one is actual North Star metric? I recommend to iterate every 30 to 60 days. Keep doing new launches and getting new feedback.
If you found this video useful, please follow and subscribe. Ask any question and I will be happy to answer.